it's Jesse Galbraith. So I was going to go over this just a little bit. Here's a little bit of intro. The reasons why you want to do your keyword searches and know how to do them properly is so that you can rank your videos. And one of the biggest things that we can do to rank our videos is to comment on each other's videos, like each other's videos, and subscribe to each other's channels. If we can do that, we can help each other build our affiliate marketing business through YouTube and get free traffic a lot faster. So doing what Anthony Morrison says and liking, commenting, it doesn't even matter if you just say good video, as long as there's a little bit of effort both ways. So anyone that comments on my videos and likes my videos and subscribes, I'll do the same. I'll like all yours, I'll comment on all yours, I'll help grow yours like you can help grow mine. So in this, what I was going to say is the reason that we do the keyword searches and have the tags pop up so many times is because of this. I haven't got it down to an exact science or anything. I'm still working on that and trying to get it so that it works properly. But if you can have it to where you're hitting 10, 15, 20 times, you're going to be making it so that you have SEO, so search engine optimization. And it's different than YouTube search engine optimization. If you have it so that your videos are able to have your stuff in there enough, then when YouTube's little bots go and they scour the internet, then they can see in there that you have a lot of different reasons for people to watch your videos. So your view time doesn't really matter yet, but if you have comments on there and we comment on each other's videos, which like I said, I'll comment on yours, you comment on mine, let's share this, let's start getting our recognition, upvoting each other's, putting likes and stuff on there, and build that rapport with YouTube so that we can all have a successful YouTube channel. And that's what I'm doing these videos for, is so that you're successful and I'm successful. I want to help you, and hopefully you want to help me. But if you don't, I guess that's fine too. Hopefully these videos just hit whoever needs them. So some of the stuff on here that's giving you the analytics for helps make your video rank more. It has 60 likes on Facebook, so you put it to your Facebook, you put it to your Facebook stories, you put it in groups where you know people are going to like and comment on it. You try to do stuff so you can get rapport. Obviously, if you do it on every video, people are going to get annoyed with you. But if you can at least get them out there sometimes and you start getting people like them, and you can start building your rapport with people that are even friends and stuff. Because if you want and you believe in what you're doing, you're going to be trying to get out the information to them, as many people as possible, so that they can start doing what you do too. So eventually you're going to have a lot of views and you're going to have a lot of subscribers and everything, as long as you stay consistent. Because consistency is key. If you're doing a couple of videos a week, you're going to make it so that YouTube understands that you're actually trying to contribute and do something. That's why I wanted to make these videos, is to contribute to you guys, to your success, and hopefully you can understand everything a little bit more. I know that there's been some stuff that we get a little bit of vague information about, and I've actually went through courses and learned this stuff. So hopefully you'll like and comment on all the videos, on each other's videos, and start getting that rapport with YouTube and starting to build your channels. Hopefully you like and comment on mine, but if you don't, I'm not going to take offense to it. But I want us all to help each other, just like Anthony wants everyone to help each other, and that's the whole reason I wanted to make these series. And any question you have, if you post them under the videos, then I can actually go through and I can see them, and I can try to make a video that helps going over what you're having issues with, and I can go more in depth. I'm trying to make each one of these videos about 3 to 5 minutes so that they're not too long. But on one of the videos, I'm going to talk about the best practices, and I'm actually going to go through that. Video IQ is another thing that you can have that will go and help you with ranking your videos. But the Tube Analytics is going to be by far your best tool, so you understand what's going on. So that's a little bit of an intro into this, why you want to have everything ranked. Because once you have stuff ranked, like I am pretty far down below the fold, but still within the top 20 videos, I'm popping up for something big that's being searched a lot. And a lot of these videos, 400K, 180K, 770K, 5K. I'm trying to bump my stuff up so I can be up here and ranked with the top videos, so people will start watching it, so I can hit a lot of video views as well. But you go through, you get it ranked, and you can start having it so that you can hit the top videos. And just because, stupid thing, I'm trying to pause it. Just because your video doesn't have everything properly doesn't mean it's going to rank high. But if you do stuff and you follow the best practices on it, even if you have less views than some of those 800K, you can show up higher. She only has 100 or 200, why am I saying 100? 22 likes on Facebook. She has 10 mentions on Twitter, which is going to rank her up higher, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that as well. But by having your SEO done right. See, even hers isn't perfect. She has only 4 and then 0 suggested. So there's a couple things that she could do to boost it. And if you do it right, you can get to the point where all of your videos are ranking super easy and we're getting a lot of comments on them and starting to get it to where we have more and more of our stuff popping up in the higher rankings. And that's what I want for each one of you. That's what I want for myself. I want us all to be successful together. So that's a little bit of overview and what you need to do. And start watching the series.